Hi, all. It's Jack here. Welcome back to Quick English Lessons. Yeah. Guess what? You've been studying English for a while, correct? You have the words, the grammar, the sense, but sometimes when you talk, people tell you, huh? What was that? Well, maybe the issue is not your grammar. It's your pronunciation. So in this lesson today, I'll introduce you to 20 everyday English words that even advanced learners tend to get wrong and how to pronounce them correctly like a native. Ready to be confident and clear? Let's get started. Boom! Section 1. Why pronunciation matters. You can know 1,000 words, but if you get them wrong when you pronounce them, people may not get what you say. Good pronunciation makes you sound natural, confident, and fluent. And the great news? It's not difficult after you hear the difference. So today, I'm going to say each word the wrong way first, followed by the right way, and I want you to repeat after me. Let's go. Section 1. Word 1, vegetable. Many students say vegetable, 4 syllables. Correct is vegetable, 3 syllables. Example, Jack, I eat a lot of vegetables every day. Native speakers don't say vegetable. They omit the middle sound. Section 2. Word 2, comfortable. Wrong is comfortable. Correct is comfortable. Example, Jack, this sofa is really comfortable. Most learners say each syllable, but natives speak quickly. Comfortable. Section 3. Word, clothes. Wrong is clothes. Correct is clothes. Example, Jack, I need to buy new clothes. That TH sound doesn't exist. We simply say clothes. Section 4. Word, Wednesday. Wrong is Wednesday. Correct is Wednesday. Example, Jack, let's meet on Wednesday. Skip the D sound. Natives say Wednesday. Section 5. Word, chocolate. Wrong is chocolate. Correct is chocolate or chocolate. Example, Jack, I love chocolate ice cream. 2 syllables, not 3. Section 6. Word, restaurant. Wrong is restaurant. Correct is restaurant or restaurant. Example, we're going to a new restaurant tonight. Native speakers say it quickly, restaurant. Section 7. Word, fruit. Wrong is fruit. Correct is fruit. Example, Jack, I eat fruit every morning. Just 1 syllable. Fruit. Yeah. Section 8. Word, breakfast. Wrong is breakfast. Correct is breakfast. Example, I never skip breakfast. The A sound vanishes. Breakfast, not breakfast. Section 9. Word, develop. Wrong is develop. Correct is develop. Example, we need to develop our skills. The stress falls on the second syllable, vel. Section 11. Word, women. Wrong is woman or woman. Correct is women. Example, there are a lot of women in the team. Singular is woman. Plural is women. Distinct sounds. Take care. Section 12. Word receipt. Wrong is recept or receipt. Correct is receipt. Example, don't lose the receipt. The P is silent, always, just like psychology. Section 13. Word chaos. Wrong is chaos. Correct is chaos. Example, there was complete chaos in the classroom. Ch is pronounced like K. Section 14. Word debris. Wrong is debris. Correct is debris. The S is silent. Example, there was debris everywhere after the storm. The S is silent. Sounds fancy, right? Section 15. Word coupon. Wrong is coupon. Depends on accent. American English is coupon. British English is coupon. Example, I got a discount coupon. Both are fine, just pick one and stick with it. Section 16. Word library. Wrong is library. Correct is library. Example, I'm studying at the library. Most natives blend the middle, library. Section 17. Word engineer. Wrong is engineer. Correct is engineer. Example, my brother's an engineer. Soft J sound, stress on the last syllable. Section 18. Word island. Wrong is island. Correct is island. Example, Hawaii is a beautiful island. The S is silent. Remember that. Section 19. Word pizza. Wrong is pizza or pizza. Correct is pizza. Example, let's get some pizza tonight. Native pronunciation is swift. Pizza. Section 20. Word schedule. American English is schedule. British English is schedule. Example, my schedule is really busy. Both are fine, just choose one style. Section 21. Word pronunciation. Wrong is pronunciation. Correct is pronunciation. Example, your pronunciation is getting better. Notice no noun sound in pronunciation. Section 22. Practice time. Yeah. All right, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Vegetable. Comfortable. Clothes. Wednesday. Chocolate. Restaurant. Breakfast. Women. Debris. Pronunciation. Nice job. Yeah. Just keep repeating these words until they're natural and smooth. Section 23. Common tips. Listen to native speakers, YouTube, movies, podcasts. Record yourself and compare. Practice stress. Which syllable is strong? Don't be afraid to exaggerate when you practice. Your mouth and tongue have to learn the movement. It's like training a muscle. Yeah. Section 24. Quick recap. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly review. We practiced pronunciation of 20 difficult words, such as vegetable, comfortable, receipt, Wednesday, island, and more. The solution is to cut out unnecessary sounds and keep an eye on rhythm and stress. The more you listen and practice, the quicker your pronunciation gets better.